Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of FishyPlayz alone. Not real sure what we're gonna be playing today, but I think we're gonna play. We could try Yellowstone Unleashed. Shark Dash Racing. You will rage quit. Honestly, I don't know. We could, y'all don't play the cabin. No, the cabin horror story, it's really bad. It's terrifying. We're gonna play Cheese Escape. I think we'll just play Cheese Escape. Alright. I had to wait for everything to load. It won't even let me out. There we go. I know, is this safe zone? Bro, what the heck? I don't know why it's black. I don't want it to be black. After everything else, there we go. Saw that rat in the corner. I hear him. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this thing. I want to trick him. I don't like this. We're doing this thing. How did he come in here? How did he come in here? We're just gonna like. I don't like this. He's freaking. I don't like this game. He's gonna glitch and like come through here. I don't like this game anymore. I never liked this game. I wish I could become the rat. What if I did next to life? I don't like this game. Y'all, I don't like this game at all. I don't like this game. Y'all, I had to leave for just a second because I got scared. He's coming! Where in the heck did they go? This is all this video is going to be, is me running from this cheese. It's like... We're going to wait until he gets like right at me. What if he like emerges from the black? What the heck? Oh man, I didn't mean to click on that. Why is this dude not coming? I should just play Piggy. Girl, you're gonna lure him over here. Thank God. There he is. Alright. He's right there! He's right there! He's trying to get me! I don't like Alright, yeah, so I'll take a break for just a little bit. I'm hoping that he's not able to get up here. Because killers were coming up here and I got the green key. So like, I'm gonna just follow him real quick. I think they know where it is. They already got that piece of cheese, so I'm gonna go follow over there. I don't know these people, by the way, I'm just following them. I'm hoping that he can't get up here. How do we get across here? I believe we need to get over there. Crap, I'm gonna just follow him real quick. More to get. I got like 6 more to find. Alright. What do we do here? I think we gotta find like something like... Oh! Nice! We escaped! Yeah, chapter 1. What the heck does it want me to do? I can't get over there. Then how to jump down. Don't get me. Oh! No! I thought I got it! Complete chapter. Complete the game to open this door. I just did that though. What is Venmo everything? Get the Venmo debit card and earn up to 15% cash back. What? Bro, let me through. I thought I did complete the first chapter. I swear I did. We're gonna go through here. Warning, this is gonna take cheese a lot. Let's go. I don't have the yellow key, I don't know. Let's go here. I need the red door. I need the red key. What the heck? I need 3 more cheese. Nice. What do I get here? I'm like stuck here. How do I get this piece? Alright, I got this thing. Run back here. I think I already got this piece of cheese here. Yeah, I did. I don't know how to get out of there. Gonna run. This is a horror game, by the way, if you can't tell. I heard something. I think it's him. Came here. I got this board. A board. Girl, come on. I don't know who this girl is, by the way. I'm just following her. Can I off her? No, I can't. Maybe like heck would you be? This dude's gotta be, this Brad has gotta be somewhere. Y'all get in here, I'm trying to save y'all. So I get out this board in case I need it. Crap, he almost got me. Bro, quit trying to get me. I ain't doing nothing to you. I'm just trying to escape. How did I circle that? He's this way, I just know. Why in the world can I not escape? Stop someone. Safe zone. I know that's the safe zone. I swear I completed chapter 1. I just want to put it right here. Can't get me today, buddy. Can't get me today, buddy. Run. No, he cornered me. Please. And I'm dead again. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. Need that board. Alright, yeah, I think I'm in the video soon. We will 102% be doing a part 2 of this. I hope y'all liked the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell your friends about this channel. Please comment below if you would like me to do a part 2. I mean, I'll be doing a part 2 regardless, but this is fun. But yeah, this game is called Cheese Escape, and I hope y'all enjoyed it.